Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. We have gotten rid of most of the moisture from yesterday. It's now off to our east. Most of the clouds are gone as well, just a few clouds here and there. We'll enjoy some sunshine this morning and then pick up on some afternoon cumulus clouds. It's something that doesn't show up too well. It kind of shows up right about there, right around the middle of the day over central and eastern Nebraska, and that's where I think some of our cumulus clouds will develop. It tries to get rid of them, though, in the afternoon. We'll keep those around through the afternoon hours. As we head into this evening, we'll see increasing clouds from the southwest, maybe some moisture moving in, especially around or after midnight tonight in the form of rain and snow. And by tomorrow morning, we may get some of that in the central parts of Nebraska. It could be rain, but maybe I think a little more likely we could see some flakes flying around as it could be cold enough for that. Now, if we see any snow, amounts will be very light, up to maybe a dusting or so. But as we get into the daylight hours tomorrow, we will warm up quickly enough to see that change back over to rain. And it'll just be some chilly showers out there for your Thursday. Brisk winds out of the south and southeast, 15 to 25 plus miles per hour, making for a rather cool and unpleasant day out there. And then you throw in that rain, that doesn't help. Meanwhile, there is going to be a boundary out west by the end of the day, situated about right there. And with more of a west and northwest wind, that'll first off be a little bit lighter, but also sunshine. It's going to be much warmer in the western part of the state. Whereas these south winds will try to warm things up, but they're counteracted by the clouds and the rain that we'll see out there. Now, with that boundary that we have out west there, just west of Highway 83, pushing eastward tomorrow evening, we'll get one final push of showers tomorrow evening. And then after midnight, they'll clear out of central Nebraska, maybe lingering in eastern Nebraska until about sunrise or so. That'll take us into some milder air for your day on Wednesday and lighter winds on Wednesday as well. So, looking at your temperatures for today, still well below average for afternoon highs as we top out in the upper 40s and lower 50s. Tonight, many of us will fall back below freezing for another night, 20s. Mostly mid and upper 20s. Could be some lower 30s in the southwest and maybe even staying near or above freezing in a couple of spots. Tomorrow's highs, well, they will struggle the most where the best chance of daytime rain is, which is right in the middle part of the state where we'll see mid and upper 40s. You go to the east, it will initially warm up into the low and mid 50s. Temperatures may drop later in the day, though, as that moisture pushes into eastern Nebraska. Out west, they're going to be on the other side of that boundary, plus some sunshine comes into play later in the day. That sort of temperatures can push into the 50s, maybe even nearing 60 there in Imperial. Tomorrow night, under clouds, it'll still be in the 30s to lower 40s out east. Below freezing, though, for another night out west, where they'll be looking at more in the way of clear skies. And then jumping into our Friday, we will see partly to mostly sunny skies, maybe some lingering moisture early on Friday morning in eastern Nebraska, where there could be some upper 50s there. Otherwise, upper 50s, lower to mid 60s elsewhere. A milder day ahead of us for your Friday here. And the first time basically since this last Sunday we see those temperatures a little closer to average. So we warm up on Friday. We get a weak cool down on Saturday. That doesn't look to be as dramatic as previously expected. I took out the moisture chance Friday night as it looks pretty slim at this point. I also took out the chance Saturday night as warmer air pushes eastward into our area. So Sunday, we are looking at highs into the mid and upper 70s. How about 80s? It's going to feel almost hot there on Monday compared to what we've been seeing recently. And then for Tuesday, it does look like that cold front's going to come through a little faster than expected, so I have dropped us down to the upper 60s. If that front slows down, we might make it into the 70s. The timing of that front will be critical not only to temperatures, but also to our chances of rain and thunderstorms. If it comes through too early in the day, the better chances will be to our east. If it holds off a bit and we actually see one more warm day on Tuesday, then we could maybe see some better chances of rain, thunderstorms, and possibly severe weather as well. But certainly, at least with the cool down coming in, it's not dramatic, not like what we've been seeing recently. So 2 more chilly days, nicer but still slightly below average for the end of the week. And then early next week, temperatures will soar. And then as we cool back, we're cooling back, but closer to average for this time of the year. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Wednesday morning. I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy that sun out there this morning. We're getting close. We're getting close. In fact, you look there. That's the final 10 days of April. May is soon approaching here, and hopefully we can say goodbye to these chilly weather temperatures for a long time here. We'll see. We'll see. It still sometimes gets chilly in May, and very, very rarely, but on occasion, we even get snow in May. So I can't rule it out yet, but I'm hoping maybe tomorrow morning is the final time we see snow for the spring. We'll see. Well, I want to thank you all for watching again, though. We'll talk to you all again on your Thursday. Take care, and God bless. Bye.